Hello everyone, welcome back to Trail of Spices. This is Priya. Today we're gonna make pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? Just the name makes us all drool. So let's get started by making a pizza dough. To make the pizza dough, we need 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of flour. We need to give them a good mix and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now the yeast is activated. I'm going to give it a good mix. Then in a bowl I'm going to add in 350 grams of maida, 2 tablespoons of salt and give it a good mix. Then I'm going to add in the yeast mixture and 2 tablespoons of oil and make it into a soft dough. Now move the dough to the working surface and knead it well. While kneading, we form more of gluten so the pizza is soft and nice. The dough will be a little sticky, but then when you keep on kneading, it will become soft. You don't need to add any flour, just add a little bit of oil. Now pizza dough is ready. I'm going to let it rest for 2 to 3 hours in a warm place. I'm also applying some oil on the sides and on top of the dough, and I'm going to seal wrap this pizza dough and let it rest. It's been 3 hours. You can see the dough has doubled in size. And then I'm going to give it a little punch, and then you see the air bubbles going down. You can make pizza in your own style, like adding any of your favorite toppings. But today I'm going to add in some paneer, pineapples, some bell peppers, mozzarella cheese, homemade pizza sauce, onions, mushrooms, olives, and jalapeños. Dust in some flour and keep the pizza dough. We form a lot of air bubbles in pizza dough because of the yeast. So we're going to punch in the pizza dough with hands to release the air bubbles and to have a smooth dough. So we have a smooth dough now. So let's use a roller to roll the pizza and cut it into your favorite shapes. I'm going to draw in the domino style. Bake the pizza in 450 degree Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get further notification from my channel.